Facility management is changing fast. While preventive maintenance was once the gold standard, predictive maintenance is quickly taking its place as the smarter, more efficient approach for today's facilities. Preventive maintenance means scheduling regular checkups for your equipment, like replacing heating and cooling filters or inspecting electrical systems, even if nothing seems wrong. This approach helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, but it can waste resources and sometimes misses problems that develop between scheduled visits. Predictive maintenance takes things further by using sensors, artificial intelligence, and real-time data to monitor equipment health. Instead of relying on the calendar, it alerts you when something actually needs attention, allowing you to act before a failure occurs. Preventive maintenance is time-based, often leading to higher costs and more guesswork. Predictive maintenance is condition-based, using real-time insights to be more efficient and proactive, reducing unnecessary repairs and extending equipment lifespan. To move toward predictive maintenance, install Internet of Things sensors, use artificial intelligence to analyze trends, adopt computerized maintenance management software, and train your team to respond to real-time alerts. The result? Lower costs, less downtime, and equipment that lasts longer. Predictive maintenance is not just the future, it is happening right now.